In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a store with Constant Contact. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Constant Contact website. Take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct account. You should be able to see your main dashboard after you log in. If you do not see the dashboard right away, look for a section that takes you to your settings, apps, or integrations, because that is where the next part begins. Next, open Integrations. This area is where Constant Contact connects with other tools, including e-commerce platforms. As you land on the Integrations page, you might see a list of available connections or a search bar. The goal here is to find the e-commerce platform you already use for your online store. This matters because the connection is what allows your store and product data to move into Constant Contact. Now, search for your e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or Squarespace. Use the search field and type the name of the platform you selected. When you see the correct option appear in the results, take a second to confirm it matches your exact store platform. This is important because choosing the wrong integration could prevent the sync from working properly. After you find your e-commerce platform, click Connect. This action starts the setup process and tells Constant Contact that you want to link your store. When you click Connect, you should see a new prompt or a connection window. Stay focused on that screen because the next step is where you select which store account to use. Then, select your store. Depending on your platform, you may be asked to choose the correct store instance, especially if you manage more than one. Look for the store listing that corresponds to the website you want to connect. If you only have one store, the correct option may be selected automatically. Either way, make sure you are connecting the store you actually want to use with Constant Contact. Now, authorize the connection. Authorization is the permission step, and it allows Constant Contact to access the data it needs, like your products and store information. Carefully review what the authorization request is asking for. When you are comfortable with it, confirm the authorization. You may be redirected back to the Constant Contact screen after authorization is complete. Finally, wait for your store and products to sync. This is the part where the integration finishes setting things up. Sync times can vary based on how many products you have and how quickly your e-commerce platform responds. While you wait, do not refresh the page repeatedly, because that can interrupt the syncing process. Instead, let the connection complete and watch for confirmation that the sync has finished. As the sync runs, you should see your product list start to appear or update within Constant Contact. If nothing looks different at first, it may simply be processing. Give it a little time and keep an eye on any status messages. Once the sync is complete, you are ready to use your store data inside Constant Contact features that support your marketing. When everything is connected, you have effectively created your store connection through the integration setup. You now have Constant Contact ready to work with your e-commerce platform so your products and store details can be used more smoothly for your campaigns. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.